Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to another update video. My last video was about 2 weeks ago on a Monday, and I was like, you know what, let me jump on. I guess I kind of wanted to let that last video breathe and just also let my stocks actually do something. So when I do update, it's really an update and not just for the sake of posting. So the last time I posted, which was 2 weeks ago, my portfolio was at 12K. And in a span of 2 weeks, I'm up $1,000, man. And that's the power of dollar cost averaging and dollar cost averaging into a good company, a company that is well ran, a company with strong financials, and also a company that's in tech. Tech is booming. Tech has been booming for a while, and I believe in tech, and I do think tech has a lot of room to run. Because especially with AI and quantum computing and all this emerging technologies that's happening nowadays, I do strongly believe in tech, and I know that we'll continue to see growth in that industry. So my portfolio is up about 6.39% today, which is equivalent to almost $800, exactly 789 and 10 cents. And then I'm up about $12 in the after hours. So let's dive in to see what happened in my portfolio. So 2 weeks ago, or like 3 weeks ago, I bought some leaps. These contracts are a year out. I got one for SoFi, and I'm already up 50% on this. I remember 3 weeks ago I bought it, and this is not super high risk, but this is definitely something that is emerging, and it's a very fintech company. And SoFi before the correction was about $18. So, and it fell as low as almost $10 during the correction. So I got it in at 11, and I am hoping that SoFi can revisit that 18 or even go higher by the end of the year. So if it does revisit 18, 20, I may be tempted to sell just to lock in profit. But I guess I'll keep you guys posted on how that goes. But SoFi is at $13.70, and I got it at 11. So a $2 move happened from the time that I got in, and that equates to 50%, which is $135. So the beast. So I got some NVDA leaps, and NVIDIA been getting a lot of buzz, probably for the last 2-3 years. And last year, NVIDIA went on a legendary run, and ever since then, NVIDIA has been the darling of Wall Street. Everything is always, the news is happening, NVIDIA is always there. So when NVIDIA dipped on that correction, that 10% correction, and I had the money available, the first stock that I thought was NVIDIA, and I think I got in at 105. Right now, NVIDIA is at 120. So that is a $15 move, which equates to $1,676, which is 42% of my money. What a great play. What a great play. So NVIDIA, before the correction took place, it was around 140, 150. I have that as my price target at my exit point. I may sell one and then let the other see if we can get a little higher, maybe to the 170, 180, hopefully even 200. And, I'm excited to see what this does. And I'm so happy that I got in at 105 and then just rolled, this $15 move. And, This really helped my portfolio, and yeah, such a good play. So, and then last but not least, so a couple things with this. So first things first, this was my stock for 2025. This stock has been beaten down. I think the all-time high is about like 200 and like 20 something, or maybe 215. And for the past year, when NVIDIA was on a tear, AMD was just crashing, and I believe it's down 50%. So, or at least the time where in January when the correction happened. So since December, I was buying it, and it was already in a correction territory, and I think, yeah, it was already in correction territory. So, and I think I started buying at 120, around 120. And then I've been buying since December 2024 up until now, whether it was through profit through my the options that I was trading, or whether it was just money that I was getting biweekly through my job. I've just been buying. From the last update that I gave you guys, I think I was at like 52. So while things were dipping, I was buying more. And here we are. Here we are. We have 60 shares, which is another good milestone. I remember maybe in January, I had hit the 50 share mark. So now I'm at 60 shares. So 40 more shares to 100. I'm going to be so excited and happy at that point. This makes up about 53% of my portfolio. So half of my portfolio. And I'm up. I'm up on this play. I think since I've been doing the update videos, I've been down on this play. It was down. I think I was at one time I was down almost 10% on this play. The matter of fact, when I first started this position, my stop loss triggered and I got kicked out of the play, and I was able to buy at a lower price, and then it kept on dipping more. And then all I did was just keep buying the dip, and then here we are now. I'm up 6.49%, which is equivalent to $400.16. So this is a long-term play for me. I'm not gonna sell AMD anytime soon, because I do think this will do well going forward. And of course, this is financial advice. My goal is to get to 100 shares by, I want to say, end of summer. And then I will be looking for another stock to put my money in. But this is the beauty of long-term investing, you know. It has not been easy to hold AMD, but I knew that eventually this will turn around, and it did. AMD for the day, look at this, up $7.41, and then it's still going up in after the hours. So I'm super excited about that. So just like that, my portfolio is blasted past 10K, blasted past 11K, blasted past 12K, and now we're at 13K, and we're in March, ending March, going to April. So the goal is 100K. And if, the goal is 100K. I'm not going to say anything else past that. I really hope that you guys are enjoying the journey. I remember when I posted my video when it hit earnings and the stock crashed, and then there was just so much, discouragement. And now look, the portfolio is up, and I'm up on a position, and I'm up on, all the plays. So this is the journey. We had our L's, we had our victories, and then I'm sure there are plenty of lessons and also wins going forward. So, all right, guys, I wanted to just give you guys this update, and I will catch you guys soon.